Here's how to see your password on Facebook. Now, if you're on Facebook on your iPhone or Android, or maybe even a computer, and you don't know your password or you're not able to log in, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is if you're logged in, but I'll also show you an option if you're not logged in. Tap on the menu button at the bottom right on your iPhone or Android. However, if you don't see it at the bottom right, check for 3 lines at the top right or top left and just tap on those. Next, scroll down from here and tap on Settings and Privacy on your iPhone or Android. Tap on Settings at the top. And next, tap on See More in Accounts Center. From here, tap on Password and Security. And then tap on Change Password at the top. And of course, choose for Facebook. Now, this won't show you your current password, but it will show you when it was recently changed. This might jog your memory on what that password is, but it won't show you what it is for security reasons. If you still don't know it, there are 2 places to be able to look. It looks a little different on your iPhone versus Android. So first, on your iPhone, take your finger and swipe down and type in passwords and tap on the Passwords app. You will need to use your Face ID to unlock this, but then just tap on search and search for Facebook and just open up Facebook. You'll be able to see your username, which is usually your email, and the password. You can tap on it to reveal it. On your Android phone, all you need to do is swipe up and you can type in the passwords for the Passwords app. In this case, I have a Samsung Galaxy, so if you use the Samsung Pass, you might have that password stored in there. So that's the first place to look, but there is a second place to look on your iPhone or Android. Next, we're going to open up Google Chrome. So on my iPhone, I'm just going to swipe down and search for Chrome and open it up, and then open it up on Android as well. On the iPhone, tap on the 3 dots at the bottom right. And then here at the little menu, swipe over until you get to Password Manager. And again, all you need to do is enter in the passcode for your phone and just search for Facebook and open that up. You'll be able to see all of your Facebook usernames and passwords. However, let's say on your Android phone, you want to find it. It looks a little different. Tap on the 3 dots at the top right. And then from here, you can see it doesn't show you a straightforward way to see those passwords, but we can tap on Settings here midway down, and then scroll down until we get to Google Password Manager and tap on that. Enter in the passphrase if you have one set up, and then check all of the passwords within Google Chrome on your Android phone as well to be able to see it. If you still don't know it and are not able to find it, you can always just reset your password by tapping on the Forgot Password link. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one. And thanks for watching.